Good day. 24th of February is Animal Remembrance Day. It's for the horses, dogs, donkeys, mules, pigeons, all of the animals that were used in war. And when you look at the numbers, horses by far are the animals that have suffered most in war. Some breeds of heavy horse coming to within the knife edge of extinction due to war, being used for primarily pulling heavy artillery. So this is our tribute, Trooper Cody, Steve, our tribute for the 24th of February, Animal Remembrance Day. And let's not forget all of the service animals, police as well, police in the Texas Rangers, Australian Outback, police horses too. With never the sound of trumpet, with never a flag displayed, the last of the old campaigners lined up for the last parade. Weary they were and battered, shoeless and knocked about. From under their ragged forelocks, their hungry eyes looked out. And they watched the old commander as he read out to the cheering men the nation's thanks and the orders to carry them home again. And the last of the old campaigners, sinewy, lean and spare, he spoke up for his hungry comrades. Have we not done our share? Starving, tired, thirsty, we limped on the blazing plain. And after a long night's picket, you saddled us up again. We froze on the wind-swept koppies, where the frost lay snowy white. Never a halt in the daytime, never a rest at night. And when the rifles rattled from the hillsides, bare and brown, and over our weary shoulders we felt warm blood run down, as we turned for the stretching gallop, crushed to the earth with weight. But we carried our riders through it, sometimes perhaps too late. Steel? We were steel to stand it. We who have lasted through, we, the last of the old campaigners, pitiful, poor and few. Over the sea you brought us, over the leagues of foam. Now we have served you fairly. Will you not take us home, home to the Hunter River, to the flats where the lucerne grows, home where the Murrumbidgee flows white with melted snows? It is a small thing, surely. Will not you give command for the last of the old campaigners to go back to their native land? And they looked at the grim commander, but never a sign he made. Dismiss. And the last of the old campaigners moved off from the last parade. Banjo Patterson wrote that about the horses in the Boer War. Of the Australian horses that went to the Boer War in South Africa, 0 came home. In the First World War, 136,000 horses left Australia for the Middle East and the Western Front and India. Of that 136,000 horses, 1, Sandy, came home. On the 24th of February, remember the horses, remember the animals. Cheers.